Trying this again. Okay, there it goes. Why is it doing that? It's saying we're live. It's waiting to send the data. There it goes. Yeah, I don't know why it's been messed up. I was directly connected to my YouTube channel. But now I'm not. I have to use the stream key, which makes 0 sense. So, sure, I guess. Not what I wanted to do, but that works. That's quite annoying. Huh. Okay, well, I guess what we'll do, enable the preview again. This is what I normally do. So we do windowed projector view, minimize this. Now we have a view of our stream, like what y'all see. So I know exactly what you guys see. Let's make this as full screen as possible. And I can still see my chat. So why am I logged out? Bro, my computer is like fucked. That's so annoying. My computer had like a stroke in the middle of developing. Last stream. Turned off. Yeah, not great. Okay, four terabyte game backups. Let's hope to God that it backed up or saved like it was supposed to when I was in the process of developing something. I had an idea and I don't. Oh man. See, I have the settings turned on to auto save on compile. Typically. So hopefully it's saved because I've compiled a lot. So I don't know, we'll see. That was so annoying that happened. Honestly, it's probably because I'm using so much power from OBS. I'm streaming at 10,000 kilobytes a second, which is fairly good. Yeah. Restore selected. Okay, whatever. I escaped my fate. Y'all listen to different music than I am. See here, this is Chrome, which I'm listening to for me. You guys are muted. You guys' music is muted for me, and you guys can hear it. Dear diary, dear diary. Money was the altar back to phony. Let me a few things clear. Okay. Oh yeah. So let's try not to overdo my computer. It's already happening. Okay. Close that. Go up here. Let's just click yes. Hopefully this doesn't crash. I'm reopening everything that was already open, including loading a new level. Nope, nope, okay. It's time to fight. Test world. Okay, build your navigation. Okay. Watch it burn. So what we were doing here, let's double check to make sure everything was still the same. Oh god, we're lagging already. Let's not do this, please. Okay, so it's setting it to is using controller. That's for when we click pause. When we're on the options screen and we are on the main menu, actually, when we hit options, we're going to here. In the graph on construct. Wait. Event construct. There we go. Game settings, so on and so forth. So that part didn't save. What we'll do on start, man. Where's on start being called from? Set all, set there. So what we'll do, custom event, event construct, call, event construct call. We'll do that just so we can call it later. So what we'll do, oh fuck. Fuck. So when this starts up, I would like it to get the player controller. Well, set it to UI mode, show to add no. So copy maybe. So this is actually the options screen. So we also need to get no, what's it called? Has to BP third person character. Apparently I don't have a reference in here. Get player pawn. And go ahead and set this as a variable. God damn it. Promote to a variable. Player character ref. Okay, so what we'll do from that reference is using controller. We'll do a branch. And basically this is going to ask if the person is using a controller. If they are, we're going to do this one. I want to set show mouse cursor to false. Get player controller. We're going to use that to tag that in there. This to tag that in there. Okay. Then over here, we want the very first thing, which would be this button here. Should be that one, maybe? So that would be that one right there. Widget and focus. And if not, that's when we go ahead and do the event construct call. Okay, let's see if this works. I'll plug the controller back in. Controller is active. Also, hold up, what I'll do. Oh shit, I'm holding a button. My name is Ronnie. I'm an addict. My camera's gonna look like shit for a second. Give me one moment. But I'll turn it on. Let me change those settings for one. Okay. Oop. A little too far down. Okay. So if we click play, then make sure we're on. See we're moving. We click pause. Okay, so that's unpause real quick. So we're in game, hit pause. You can see that now we can use arrows. So if we hit options, it should default allowing us to use our keyboard because we are using this, which is great. But we need a way to go over to the controller settings, which is probably just because it's in a weird spot. I can't focus on these buttons for some reason. Option screen. Oop. It's gonna look stupid for a second, but sure. Also, before we continue, we're starting to lag. Let's not. Please. Okay. So come down here. So if we hit this button, we're going to set what we just got. Is using controller set that to false. And click play. So right now, once we stop lagging, we hit E. You see everything's fine. Everything's normal. And we can't use our keyboard or our controller. If we hit resume and hit pause with this, it defaults to saying yes, they're using controller. Options. There we go. And we can click this, but it doesn't quite work yet. We still gotta set those up too. Okay. Something broken. Okay, we're good here. I thought my computer froze for a second again. I was like, fuck. Okay, so option screens. Let's see if I keep it on that. We bring it over here. Okay, so pause. Options. Up and over. Okay, that works too. Nice. The apply settings also don't work either. Okay. It's annoying, but we'll do that. This is a shadow. So the apply button is in this whole thing. We need the apply button to be down here like everything else. Don't fail me now. Yeah, the apply settings can be down here. Do that. Let's apply the buttons is variable, sure. Text, where's the fill? Size to context, there we go. Anchor, bottom right. Okay, so save it real quick. Okay, so pause, options. As we got controller settings, we got back. You can see it's barely highlighting it in blue, but you can go down like this. There we go, apply, there we go, sweet. It all works, except for the screen though. We still gotta get that going. Okay, controller options. So on event construct, would like to UI mode. Oops. Set input mode UI. Okay, we'll do that. Event construct will do a cast to BP third person, which is the character we're using. So we're casting to it to get the reference of the player and all the information inside the player. We're going to get the player pawn, which is just a reference to what kind of thing it is. We'll disconnect that. We'll promote this to a variable that we can use anywhere inside this blueprint. Instead of having to drag a bunch of lines around, we can actually just drag the reference out. So what we'll do is we'll do on the event constructor, we can go ahead and do a custom event. Come on, let me do this. Custom event, and then checking, wait, no. Controller options. Startup is what I'm going to call it. Custom events are just something that gets fired off when something else calls it. So we're going to do a branch, which is a true false statement. As that character, so we're getting that character reference that we just set up here. And then there we can pull any information that's in the character. So we're going to do is using controller. So it's asking a question if they're using controller, true or false. If they are, we're going to do this twice. One on true and one on false. We're going to get player controller. So that's anything that's control wise for the player, whether it's keyboard and mouse, whether it's controller, anything. I'm going to pass that reference in so it knows what it's looking for. So inside the controller options, we want the very first thing it focuses on, if they are using one, to be the horizontal sensitivity. What a horizontal option, maybe? Let's see. Slider. I need a or I need to name this. So horizontal slider bar. I need to make it a variable so you can see it throughout the blueprint. Also need to make sure the apply button is apply button. Now since this is here, we can get rid of that. And back. Okay, we're gonna move the position. Negative 300 maybe? Oh, nope. Negative 220. No, negative 260. Sure. So click compile. And we want to get the slider reference. So that's what we're going to be focusing on first, which is going to be the horizontal slider bar. So basically what this code is doing is on event construct, I want it to call the controller option startup. So what this does is we can have this code separately. So as soon as this UI is created, it gets the player reference, sets it as a variable, and then once that's finished, it calls this code, which is here. When this is fired off, it is getting the player, asking if it's using a controller. If it's true, then it's focusing it on the bar. If it's not, it's doing its normal shit. And we're going to give it the reference of self so it knows to focus on the widget. Up here, we want to make sure we lock. I don't know what flush input does, but there we go. Mouse. We'll get another one of these. This is a controller. Set mouse position. Let's see. Get mouse cursor. Get show mouse cursor. Damn it. Show mouse. False. It's not been working, but we're trying it again. Okay. So if we hit pause, there we go. Got options. Got all these different options here, as you see. Yes. Can't find a hair tie. Okay, hang on. I'll help you. Had to help the wife. So let's see. The main menu. We need to do the back buttons now. So this is the horizontal sensitivity. And the back buttons needs to... Oh, wait. The back button on clicked. Oh. So from controller options to back to option screen. So we need to do option screen. Let's go from controller to options. And then from options, the back button should work already. Remove from, and then add main screen pause menu. Main menu pause. Okay, that should work. Let's hope. Pause, options, controller settings. So if we go back, we go to here. We are back. Okay, so we're technically back here. But it's not doing its thing. So option screen on the back button. Main menu pause. The event construct is doing that. There's nothing else. Right? That's all this stuff. So unclicked. Unsave game. So as this person is using controller, if that is true, oh, wrong button. If they are using controller, then UI mode. Player controller, get player controller. Then the widget I want to focus on will be resume button. Flush and then lock. Let's see. Okay, pause. Options. Controller settings. We can change our sensitivity. Technically not yet, but go to apply settings, go back, and resume. Oh, yes. Okay. Now we need to do the inventory UI. That's gonna be fucking difficult, I think. Let's see. Pause menu stuff. So this is the main menu stuff also. The graph. Quit game. Event construct. Do we have it? We do not. Okay, so we want to player reference. We already got one. Is using controller. Same stuff we've been doing. Asking if they're using controller. If they are, oh, then we're going to UI mode. Get player controller. Widget in focus should be the play button. Oops. Okay, lock, flush input, I guess. I don't know. That's when you first load up the game on pre-construct. It's asking that. It's setting it to controller if you're using it. I think I want to default everything to yes, though, for controller. Play button. Does save game exist? If it's true. I'm going to do the same thing down here. Player reference, this, and this, minus this. Okay. Move that out. So if it does exist, it's going to do the pop-up and then do that. And I want the reference widget to be, are you sure, pop-up? What's the button called? Are you sure, pop-up? Player controller. We want to make sure new game is referenced, so new game button. Get new game button. Plug that in. Okay. That's on that one. Let's look through here. So we got controller options, death, play again, which doesn't have anything at all. It's okay. Text, well, hand. Background blur. Anchor, hold shift, click this. 0 out. That is not the full size. What the hook? There we go. Background blur will be, blur amount would be like very little, like 4. We'll do text. Throw that here, not on the background blur. I'm gonna throw that on the canvas panel. Anchor, hold control, do middle. Alignment should be 0.5. Yep. Size to context. Position. Text block. You died. Control S. So we'll put a button on the canvas panel and a text inside of the button. The button will be play again button. Make sure it's a variable. Make sure it's centered. .5. Do -240. Align. There we go. The text will say play again. Okay. Compile. On the play again button, I would like for this first. So we'll do event construct. Cast to BP third person character. Get player pawn. We're going to promote to a variable. And then we should be all right there. And then after that, we want to UI mode. We'll just pull from this because I don't care. Is using controller. Like so. Branch. If it's true, duplicate and false. So if it's true, we want to do not lock. We want to do lock. And play again button for this. Get player controller. There we go. When you die and this thing is made, I'm gonna say all that. See if players using controller do that. Okay. That should be good there. Main menu should already be done. Main pause UI is done. Option screen should be done. Option screen for main menu. Okay, so those are two different ones. Option screen for main menu. Okay, it's an option screen. So, is there anything even here? Okay, back button seems to be all right. Basically what I need to do is create an event called on clicked apply button, or no. Yeah, there. Okay. F2 Control C. And that was on the get game user settings. Get game user settings. There we go. Custom event. This is the event construct. We'll do that and that. And then pretty much what we'll do is this entire freaking thing. Control C, Control V. We'll remove this. There we go. Wait a second. So controller set UI mode. We still should do that regardless. So I'm glad I noticed that. Because this is still what I need to do to reference all the settings. Okay, those screens should be done. So movies and loading screens. Mini map, player health, and stamina. Weapons HUD. Pistol ammo count. Weapon UI. I'll save some mini map, level up system, images, chest UI, bullet holes. I need to do inventory system now. Widgets, inventory pop-ups, and widgets. Test widget. Okay, so this is the crafting widgets. What the hell happened? Okay, so this is drop item window, which I don't think is even used. Yeah, it is. Okay. This is the main inventory widget right here. Let's go ahead and close all the other widgets. This one first pops up. Lots of code in here. Holy shit. Event construct? Right there. Okay. Event construct. There's so much fucking code in the inventory. So blend in animation to open it up. Player reference, AC, inventory component, is item clicked. We also want to go ahead and just do all the checks we've been doing. I wonder something. If can I show like my entire keyboard section here? So y'all could just see what we're doing. Let me test something here. Hold Alt. Trying something here. Do that. Hold Alt. Hold Alt. There we go. Now do this. Configure. Zooms all the way out. Okay. Sure. Oops. Or what I could do. Something like that. And I have a cut from your head. I can't duplicate it though, can I? It won't work. Never mind. I forgot. OBS isn't like multiples of something. Okay, there we go. Screw it. So this is event construct on opening of the inventory. We got the player reference in here somewhere. Jesus. Player reference right there. Get player reference. Is using controller. Branch. I still want this to work regardless. Actually, let's do a custom event just to make it easier. Event construct start. Let's do it that way. So is they using a controller? False. We're still going to do the event construct start because it still needs to be done regardless. If it's true, then we want to UI mode. True. Get player controller. And then the very first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to grab the all button. All. Okay. Widget. Lock. Flush input. But then we still need to do the event construct thing. So for now, this should work. Let's do some tests. Maybe. So just 1 second. Pause. Okay. So if we resume. Okay. If we go over here, just like collect a bunch of items. Ooh, don't do that. Yeah, I forgot to make a backup before doing all this, so like I'm afraid, I just really hope nothing goes bad. Oh. grab some meat. Just to try some stuff. Okay. We should have a bunch of items now. None of this stuff shows up in inventory over here, so we're good here. So we hit Y. Oh. I'll play like this. I'll play weird. So we are using controller, but it's not defaulting to using anything. Whoa. Yeah, it's working. We go to food, medical, collectibles. Oh shit, okay. That's awesome. It's technically working, but not 100% though. Something ain't working right. So event construct, using controller, true. Then do basically everything else. I'm clicked on event construct start. Focus widget, player controller. It seems like the player reference just isn't working properly, or something isn't working properly. We're going to do a separate one. Cast to BP third person character. Okay, get player pawn. We'll just do something like that. And we'll go ahead and promote the variable. Do that. We'll do that. What we'll do, well, actually, this will be the check thing. So, custom event has controller check. Event construct has controller check. We'll do that. From here, event construct has controller check. I know I don't need to do it this way, but I am. Just to keep these things separate. I love using event constructs too, because if you set this all up and then you put it on event construct anywhere else in the code, if you want to reference this and do another check, you can just by calling that. I really like it actually. Okay, so let's see. I'm over here. Oh, technically it's not set to true. I haven't hit pause. If I hit resume, now it's technically true. Right? Okay, that didn't work either. Be all. So it's not focusing on that widget. Set widget UI mode, be all is being referenced, but vertical box, I don't want it to do that. Be all and text all. That looks right. That's weird. Let's see. Is focusable? Is on. Trying to freaking think here. Why is this not? It's not jumping directly to it to be all. Yeah, it's not doing it. Or record check. I wonder something real quick while I'm here. Okay, hang on. So it's playing all this stuff here, which is blending the animations, like basically it ain't active until this is done, I think. So what if we do, hold up. So at the very first one we do is this one instead. So we play it. We actually have the widget show up essentially first. So it does all this. And then event construct start. So it's going to play that. It's going to play the actual animation of everything opening or whatever. And then at the very end, event construct start. Then we're going to call that one to play. Now we still need this though. False. Player controller should be the same thing. Widget in focus is reference to self, that we're in this one. Okay. Also, I think what we need to do is event begin play, which we have here. I think what we'll do is we're going to set is using controller from the default to be true. Is using controller true. God, I hope this works. Okay, so we're moving like we're supposed to be. We hit Y. It's seriously not doing it. And it's not doing it. What the fuck? Okay, widget blueprint. Let's do something. We're gonna do is valid. It is valid check. Do the be all. is valid. So we're going to do a print string just to do some tests. B all is not valid. Oops. And what we'll do is we'll set this to key like 9 for a duration of 90 seconds. So basically whenever it calls and does everything it's doing here, it'll go through and ask if it's valid. If it's valid, it'll do its code. What we could do first, let's move this out the way real quick. Do that, be valid, or be all is valid. We'll do 10. Basically this will say if that button is valid when it's getting called. So I can tell if it's maybe not happening in the right time. Yeah, so right now it's not valid. All is valid. So I don't know what the hell the problem is then. My question is, why is this constantly firing off? This shouldn't be constructed until it's... What? Hold up. Event construct. So this... Yeah, that makes no sense. We need to turn this into a validated get, maybe? Right click. How do we do it again? Convert to validate get. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try it. And if it's not valid, I want it to print string saying not valid on number 10 and compile. So right now it says it's not valid. Wrong buttons. Oops. Okay, so it's still saying not valid. Huh. Okay. Be all. So the first thing I want to do . So what I'll do first is I'll set the first UI mode to the widget. Come on. Self. So once it does that, then it'll do this. Delay. 0.2 seconds, then it does this. Why does it still say not valid? Do I still have that hooked up somewhere? Oh, it's working. Okay. I can't get out of it now, though. Okay, let's try something else. I have to play weird just so I can show you all the controller. So like, let's say, okay. I'm picking up foods or whatnot. So where's the damage box? I have one somewhere. Uh-oh. Oh, right there. Okay, so now let's say that we're damaged if we hit Y. Oh my lord. Pineapple. Oh my lord. And I can't use it no more. And I can't use this either. That is awesome. Oh my god, I'm getting it finally. Okay, so on the widget inventory. So if we hit the crafting button though, let's find that code wherever the hell that's at. Right here. So it's going to set all this. That's just creating its own widget, which will be crafting grid. So here, event construct. Yep, it's right there. So we're casting to BP third person. Custom event. Checking for controller. Okay, so we're going to call for checking for controller, just so we can do this code elsewhere. Move it up here. As BP third person is using controller. Gonna drop a branch there, true or false. If they are, UI mode. We're going to duplicate this twice. We'll do true, false. Get player controller. Okay, so widget and focus. If they're not, we're just going to leave it as is. Self. Okay, and then the widget craft button, yeah. There we go. So it'll reference the crafting button first. Oops. Craft button. Let's see where this is at. So it should just remove from parent. Does that even work or not? Okay, so let's just get something real quick. Woo, don't do that. There we go, so now we're there. If we go to crafting. Okay, so the button isn't there, so what we'll do is we'll reference the back button instead. So yeah, so instead of craft the button, we'll look for the back button. So press pause, crafting, back. Uh-oh. So the back button doesn't quite work. So why is that? Because when you're doing the inventory, you're clicking on medical, food, and all. Drop item, filter inventory, close inventory. Right, inventory, crafting. So it's gotta be down here somewhere, right? Collectible, drop amount, designer. Fuck it, we'll just do this way. Crafting. Oh, collectibles 01 is what it's called. That's fucked up. So it's just creating the widget, setting it, and adding it to viewport. So remove from parent. Yeah, we're just gonna keep reference as self. We'll see if that works. And then when the back button is hit, remove from parent, create widget. And then we'll go ahead and create the WB inventory. Go ahead and promote the variable. Do something like so. Then add to viewport. And compile. Oh fuck, hold up. Player reference, there we go. WB item slot reference. Owning player class. Sure. Let's try. When it stops lagging. Oh no. I was about to say, please don't crash. If we go over to crafting, hit back. There we go. It'll just reset it. So if we hit, we need a back button here too. Or we just need to make it where we're hitting this button while in the inventory. Just close it. So we could do that in a second. The reason why I want to test this again is I want to see what happens to your inventory if you remove it. Stop lagging, come on. There we go. I want to see, will it give me my items or will it show them? God damn it, that's not what I meant to do. Fuck, that's so annoying. It's gonna lag because all the physics items drop into the ground first. Okay, so we hit this button, you can see I have these items here. If we go to crafting, we go back. Oh, I'm glad I checked that. Okay, that's odd. So when we click on collectibles, we can't remove from parent. Visible. Set visibility of widget, this one to hidden. And this one's okay to be removed. So back button, remove from parent. That means we don't need to create one. Tell you what I could do. We can do the set visibility for this one on Event tick. Yeah. So we'll do add another pin. Set visibility of this one to be true or false, whatever. So much stuff in the way. What we'll do is branch. We'll branch it. And then we'll go ahead and get the as BP third person. And then we're going to do is inventory open. So duplicate. We got true, we got false. Basically on true it's visible, on false it's not visible and takes up no space, and the layout obviously not testable. Sure, we'll do collapse, I guess. So if the inventory is open or not, it'll make it visible or so on and so forth. Well, basically, yeah. Maybe. So over here, I'll click back button. We're going to remove it from its own parent. Get is inventory opened. I'm going to set it to true here. True. Inventory. And then we need to go back down to the, I don't even know where it's at now. Close inventory. Oh yeah, it's down here. We're creating the other widget right here. We're creating it. And then we want to as BP third person. So get is inventory opened. We're going to set it to false here. Please work. This would be amazing. If I hit pause, go to crafting. Okay, they don't work. Gotcha. Trying to think here. So that's just normal. Then I guess we'll just leave that as is. Yeah. Go ahead and remove execution pin. Compile. Make sure save on compile is true. Always okay, yeah. And I guess on this one we'll go ahead and save and true. Could do it on event pre-construct, so it's always true. So that's that button right here. This is all on event construct. This plays the inventory animation for opening. And this is actually what sets the input modes for using controller. So what if we do, do we even have one? Event reconstruct? We do. It's just not being used. Let's see how this works. I mean, it's always active. It sets it at the very beginning before it's even constructed. So hit Y, crafting, back. Are you fucking serious? Did that set it to true and false? Hold up, let's see something. This event begin play on here. Event tick. That's not what I wanted. Event tick. Right here. Print string. My fucking head is hurting like crazy right now. This is printing a string. Actually, I want to do another one of those things. Hold up. Let's go ahead and bring this up and out a little bit. Whoa, not too far. We'll duplicate this. We'll plug that in to words, true or false. So words. Actually, there we go. Is using controller. Wait, no, not that. Is inventory open? Yeah. String for debugging. Duplicate. String for debugging 01. We'll remove that. Well, gotta compile it, I guess, for some reason. Okay, so what we're gonna do is inventory open. So that's what that string is going to be. String for debugging will be is inventory opened with improper spelling. Also, I noticed 7 and 2. Yeah, we'll do 99, I guess, and 2. Doesn't matter. Compile. I'm mostly worried about, so right now it says is inventory opened. Right now it says false, which is good. Hit Y. Crafting. Still says false. And go back. This has nothing to do. So is inventory opened? It isn't even being used. Oops. Is inventory open? This is our inventory input, basically. The AI inventory. WB inventory reference is valid. Is it opened? True. Wait, what? Is inventory opened? Wait, what? It's been true or false here. Open. Why is it not switching to true or false? When I open the inventory, it's not saying it true or false. Okay, so hold up. I'm skipping all those print strings because there's a bit too many now, and I don't need them because those sections of the game are working properly. Yeah, look. Is inventory open? False. If I hit I. Okay. It's not switching from true or false. But right now I can't even close it. Is inventory open? False. Why is that? And also, why can't I doing that? What the hell? This is the reference for the inventory thing. Completed on triggered. So is that valid? Is true? And is this inventory reference visible? You can see it here. It's literally calling it multiple times. And here. Find reference. Oh, this is all those. Okay, I don't need that. What the hell? Hey, there's only one reference. We have to have instance editable and expose on spawn. Just do that so maybe it's can be sent through multiple of these things. I don't know. My fucking head is hurting, man. It's not setting it. It's true. But why? That makes no sense at all to me. Event construct. This is inventory opened. Set. True, maybe? I don't know why. It's literally directly in the character's blueprint. So let's see if I set that as a default to true. No. Okay, let it lag. Hit Y. What the fuck? Oh, my head. Alright, sorry, our webcam's going off. These damn lights gotta go off. This is making zero sense to me. Even here, it's not working. But in the blueprint of the BP first person, the event graph is defaulted to no, of course. Yeah, this don't make any damn sense. Event tick. Can fire, can fire, can fire. So that's all good. Just get rid of some of these things. Oh, I was going to say, please don't fucking crash. My computer's being stupid slow right now. Event string, that all looks fine. Is inventory open? True, false, da 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 da. This is the reference I'm going off of. E1, key 99. I don't think that's going to matter, but just in case it does. So inventory uncompleted, untriggered maybe? I don't understand at all. If it defaulted to true, will it even say it's true? Okay, it does. It says it's true. Okay. Event graph. Event. Event begin play. I'm just going to disable that. Maybe that's bugging. Thinking maybe I could do like a double input action like I did with the other stuff. Oh crap, hold up. Default this to false. It doesn't seem like it's referencing certain key inputs. False. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit P and then resume to set it to keyboard. Hit I. It's still false. That makes no fucking sense. We're setting this stuff to false and true based off of key inputs. So why is it not? And also, why can I not reclose? What the fuck, man? This is all that. If it's that. Lock always. Do not lock on that one. This makes no fucking sense, dude. I know I'm tired and I know my head hurts, but this still doesn't make any sense. As event begin play, we're setting it not to use keyboard at first. And then down here somewhere, right here's event tick. Let's just make this easier to read. Bring this down here. And let's just do something a little bit easier. Sequence 2 and 3. Unhook, unhook, and unhook. So what we'll do, just make this a lot easier for ourselves to read it. Try this right here. Custom event. String test. I can tell I'm in the fucking character's blueprint. It's crazy. So laggy. We'll do another custom event. Add weapon. Weapon corner widgets. Okay, there's that one, and then this is just setting the or setting where they're. Now we'll do custom event. Weapon ammo check. The most important one right now is weapon ammo check, because we always wanted to do that faster. The weapon ammo check. On that event, add weapon corner. So add weapon corner widget. And then string test. So what we'll do is this right here is going to be our simple custom event. Or a simple event tick. We'll just have all these guys in a row. Where are you? Uh-oh. Move you out the way. Alright, so these are all the things that are happening on event tick, but they're just being called through these just to make it more simple for myself. So this and this. So is inventory opened? So that should just be reading whether it's open or not. Question, can we not just directly plug that in? Right now it just says false, which is technically true. The I still says false up there. Okay. Also, if we go to the inventory here, this is what happens when we hit it. Let's complete. Game face, button top. Basically, it's the same thing. So I don't understand. So you can see right here. Is inventory opened? It's setting it to true here. Setting it to false here. So closing the inventory. If it has something to do with what I did a little bit ago with making this visible. Flush inputs. Walk always. Event free constructs at UI mode. That shouldn't really matter though. Moments like this where I really wish I would have done a backup. Viewport, crafting grid, event drop all. So this is clicking on the B collectibles, filter inventory. Reset selected item. Reset mesh. Click all inventory, update inventory. Okay. I'm just wondering why the fuck it's not actually setting it to like being open. Open, reset selected item, get weight, set use button hidden, and event graph. So let's look at all these. Reset selected item, get weight, get value, update recording item, set use button interface, drop item drop, and slot clicked. These are animation things. Crafting UI is item clicked, key, player reference, selected item, last click slot, and inventory. I really don't know, dude. Like right now is the moment I wish there was people in here that knew what the fuck was going on. Let me look at my Discord. See what's going on in there. Probably nothing, but it's okay. Yep, exactly what I expected. Okay, disable streamer mode because I don't really care. So this makes no sense. This is the event construct and it's not setting it any differently. I don't know. Crafting widget. That has nothing to do with me right now. I'm just going to close that. It has something to do with these two. We got IMC defaults though. We could look at the inventory. It says I or none. Wait, what? Why does it say none? We got I. Okay. Yeah, it still makes no sense though. So you got this. Update inventory, show mouse cursor, set show mouse cursor. This is basically setting it to be true. Hide cursor during location capture. The game paused. False because it needs to not be that. I don't know. Let's set it one more time at the very end here. That is open true. This is aggravating. Another shot maybe. Right now it's false. Why is it doing that? Okay. What the hell just happened? OBS, you good, homie? Why is okay, whatever. Guess it doing that freaked it out. Let's just go ahead and delete that again, I guess. Let's see what that happens. Or what happens there. Hitting the button. Bring it up. Okay. I'm just gonna make a separate one then again, I guess. Battle map. We'll go to project. Wait, no. We'll go to third person. Blue inputs. Actions. Inventory. Duplicate. Inventory. Underscore controller. And then underscore keyboard. Inside here, we got inventory, keyboard. We're gonna add an extra mapping, close that out. Inventory controller. For this inventory, this one is input action. Input action inventory. We'll do keyboard. It was on completed, I guess. And then this one is input action underscore inventory controller. Completed, I guess. I don't know yet. And then play. We'll see. Maybe. Hopefully. Hit Y. Nothing. Okay. That works. Oh. I think I forgot to set it in here. My bad. Controller. Yeah, I did. Actions, triggers. No, I didn't. What? Oh, I did. But it's still not fixing my freaking issue. Hit Y. It opens. Hit again. It does nothing. Why is it doing that, though? That's my question. It's acting as if I open it, it's setting it to something. Hold up. Widget, inventory, add a viewport, set game and UI, and do not lock. Set input mode game only. That's when it closes the inventory. Guys, I don't want to see that part right now. Hold up. So that's that part. And then is it visible? It looks like it's failing here. It's not valid. Is this valid? True? Then make it not. I'm having so many issues right now, and I don't know where the hell it's stemming from. Yeah, this makes no sense. Even doing it up here still makes no sense. When we press the button the first time, let's just do a flip flop. In flip flop, yeah. This is just like a little test. Just to see if this will even trigger that at all. And if not, I'm wondering what is constantly triggering to say technically false. What the fuck, man? There's gotta be some other spot in here. Update inventory, that's in that one. Is open. Is open, is open, is opened, is opened. AC inventory component. Is open. So controller and keyboard. That's the string test right there. What the hell's going on here, man? It's so weird that this reference just isn't being changed no matter what I do. Like this changes, like itself, it changes if I change it here, but I cannot physically change it anywhere else, and I don't know why. AC inventory component, inventory ref. Is visible. Let's see how this works. Yeah, we can do it this way. String test, we're just checking to see if this thing is visible or not. By default, it should be no, of course, so. By default, it says false, which is correct. Come on. Enough with the physics already. Okay, if we hit Y. Bro, what the fuck? It ain't saying shit, bro. And it's clearly fucking visible. Inventory reference is none. Wait, what? Inventory reference. Is rendered. Bro, this makes no fucking sense. Why is this one just not doing anything? Is this just broken? Like, I'm gonna use the other thing for a test. Is this something we've already created that we knew worked at one point in time? 1, 2. We already know this works. And this is overlapping with a pickup radius. Bitch, play. Damn. Near weapon pickup radius. False. Okay, so maybe the string is just broken. Something ain't right. I know that works. It already worked before. The true false. This is the true false. This is the string. Maybe it's just a string test, or this print string's broken. But if we take this and this, and do this and that, maybe it's because something else is already on 2. Oh. Hang on. All right, one more try again and see if this is just what it was. I think it might have been that. Wait till this stops lagging because of the physics in the game. Everything lags at first. It doesn't do that in the final game though. Something ain't going right. Something's wrong. Yeah, it's that the print strings are broken or something. Okay, so instead of doing it through the custom event, then why don't we try it directly? I'm letting Gorka get all stuff out real quick. Hold up. Guess we're gonna try this itself. He says, yeah, sure, man. Yeah, watching my own game on the TV is crazy. It's a awesome feeling. Let me get him the channel link real quick. I think he already has it, but just to be case, here is the link. It's so cool. Okay, so we're gonna try it directly and see if the event tick is broken, maybe. And I'm also gonna put this one on O. Or on 0. So it's like the main one. Because it was working before. Okay. Try one more time. Let it lag because all the physics, I know. What is going on? Like, this is... something ain't working right. And that's really scary. Hey, what's up, bro? Welcome on in. Welcome. I'm right now trying to do a print string check, but I think my print string or something might be broken. I don't know what's going on. I'm on like the last little section of something I want to do for the inventory stuff. We're trying some stuff. Yeah, the response to your thing and the messages and everything. Yeah, it's super cool to see my own game played on my big screen TV. We're lagging. Hold up. Come on. There we go. We're lagging because all these things have physics. Everything around here has physics. So when it drops, it like does that. Yeah, see, I'm having a problem with basically everything. So I know it works because I can't pick up a weapon unless I'm in the range of the hit. So you can see I'm in range to pick it up, but it's not switching on the print string. Basically, I'm looking to see if I'm near pickup radius for a weapon, and it's supposed to be going, but it's not working. I don't know if I done something wrong. I don't believe I did. But I want to show you what I did for this. Is a real big mess, I know, but it's so cool what I did with this. So this is my input actions switching right and switching left. So I literally made separate input actions, and so this is IA switch weapon left. So that's the left bumper button on the keyboard, and it's removing all the references of the ammo stuff. And is going through and asking the button press number, and if that button press number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, then it's doing these custom events, or it's calling these custom events. Those custom events are actually connected to my weapon switching logic that already exists, along with so I already have like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever to switch my weapons, but I have it attached with these also. So let's say the number is 0 or whatever, then it will switch to 0. If it's 1, it'll switch to 1. That's how I'm doing. This is my weapon switching logic right here for all my different types of weapons, and down here. So basically what it is it's checking the number to see what it is. So this one though does let's see, where's it at? Oh, minuses it. But this one over here is, since it's to the left, it's counting down. This one up here is the right trigger button, so it's counting up or adding 1, and it's clamped up to the highest amount of weapons that the player can get. So the numbers will cycle through the available slots and stuff. Of course, the inventory stuff is all kind of weird. I may be doing it completely wrong. I have no idea what I'm doing, to be completely honest with you, or the UI stuff. If I go down to pause menus and we go to the main pause UI, and then the graphs, basically on event construct, I'm getting the reference of the player. And then in the player, I actually have a is using controller thing. So, and I have different input actions for everything. So every input action possible on the keyboard also has a controller side of it too, all separate input actions. So if the game recognizes me pressing a special button on a controller, like Y, X, B, or A or whatever, then it will switch that boolean to true of it's using controller. And it only does that on those special input actions. And if I go back to using keyboard and mouse, it'll recognize me using the keyboard and mouse input actions, and it'll switch this to being false. But if this ends up being true, then it's set in UI mode, but instead of focusing on the entire widget, it's focusing on the very first button at the top. And that's how I'm getting it to work. So technically right now, if I was to click play, and no, I didn't look anything up on this. I literally just tried random stuff until something worked. So right now, once we stop lagging, because we have physics items on the ground. Come on. Okay, we're good. So I'm running around right now. I'm actually using my controller. You can tell by how slow I am. But if I hit pause, you can see my mouse still shows up. I don't know why. I have tried so many times by putting show mouse cursor to false, but it won't disappear. It's always there. I don't know why. But it automatically defaults you to focusing on resume, but you can't tell until you hit a button. But you can see everything highlights now by just scrolling through. If I click options, since it already recognizes that I'm using a controller from the first menu that popped up, it continues here. So if I go down and scroll down, you can see it's at the bottom. I keep scrolling up, and I can change these buttons by clicking on them. I can change that to medium to high, medium high, VSync off or on. I have that backwards. Oops. I can change my FPS, which looks like it's capped there. I can click apply settings, and then options. We have controller settings here, which is not set up yet. But if I click on it, you can see here we get the horizontal sensitivity settings. You go ahead and click on it, and you can adjust it. I haven't implemented that yet because I have no clue how to. But we can go all the way up as high as you want. Go down to apply settings. You click back. It'll take you back to this menu. All the way up. Click back, and then resume, and then you're back at it. And also, this looks so freaking good when you have the settings actually turned up. You get the hardest part working. It's always the controller with widgets. Yeah, it was an accident. Like, I didn't even know what I was doing. Also, I wonder, does that mean that this works too? Let's see. Oops, wrong button. So yeah, okay, I haven't set up the quest giver just yet, but that's fine. I can get that working later. Now I'm back in keyboard mouse. It's literally, there's no setup, there's no controls, there's no nothing. Like, okay, that's kind of weird. Which button is, there we go. I'm changing some other things around too, but yeah, there's no setup between keyboard and controller. If you're playing with controller and you want to put it down, just grab the keyboard mouse and start playing. It automatically switches between it, like automatically. I also added some changes, which you can see is kind of broken. My stamina is going kind of messed up. We actually, when we were playing it in the living room, we were all playing the game, and we kind of realized something that was kind of boring or kind of sucky. Since the map is so big, your thumb gets tired from holding the run button on the controller. So I switched it to a toggle, but when I stop running, the toggle never stops, so it's just draining your stamina. So I got to fix that. That's a bug. Now I got to figure out, oh, hey, I forgot about this thing. Not going to lie. Look at that. I still got my watch. That's cool. The next thing I got to do, for one, is find out why I can't close my inventory. But I actually need to get the widget running. I don't, or not the widget, the, oh, what's it called? This. I need to figure out how to get the slider to actually adjust my horizontal sensitivity. I need to make another one so I can try to adjust my vertical sensitivity. And things like that. I need to actually figure out how I can use this slider to apply settings to my player's controller to change the sensitivity. And I don't know how to do that. And the biggest issue I'm having right now is the saving system. I think I followed your saving system, believe it or not. I got everything working for the most part. I can save my XP. I can load my games. I can save my health, my location, my rotation, and everything else. But I can't figure out how to save the weapons that are in the player's inventory. I can't figure out how to save the inventory or the weapons inventory. I can't figure out how to save pretty much anything else right now. And then in the input nodes, multiply that value with the axis. What? That would be in here too, right? Oh Lord, I forgot. This is a very messy thing. Where would that normally be inside of here? What? I don't know. Add controller pitch input. Oh yeah, here's all the default stuff. So up and down and left and right. So action value X and action value Y. That's the camera input. But isn't there something in here specifically for controller? I can't remember if I added it or if it just automatically works. Rotation, forward vector, right vector. Those X and Y. Okay, yeah, these ones right here. So you want me to get the action value X and action value Y, and then get a value and multiply it? You need to multiply them with the new variable that changes with the slider. Holy crap, okay. So let's say, is this the one that we do with a bind? Like, as you can see, everything works out there. I don't normally use binds. We create a binding, I'm assuming. It's this just so much. Change the slider. Huh. I'm assuming that's what we do. I don't know. Let's see here. However you prefer, binding or manual. Okay, I'll do a bind. So this is the return value. And man, it's been a while since I've done this. Okay, I can look at the reference of my health UI. So I don't have to ask a million questions. I know you're probably like, damn it, I didn't come in here to teach. Health widget, yeah. Look at this. Get percentage. Where's that at? Get percentage. So basically we're getting that, and then we're getting the health, and dividing it by 100. Okay. And then that return value. Okay, so we need to cast to BP third person character. Let's see here. Get player character. Okay. Get player character. Oh, now it's not binding? Wait, why would it not be? What? In the event of the slider, click on the value changed. Controller options, assign, get horizontal bar value. Delete the binding. Okay. Remove binding. Let me make sure this is closed out over here. So get horizontal slider. I'm just going to remove all of that. I'm removing everything. And scroll down to the bottom of the events. On value changed. Would you say in the event on value changed? Yeah. Okay. So we click plus. I believe so. Okay, so on value change, and then I already have a player reference here. Controller options, event. I'm gonna move this closer so I can see things easier. So I think this is, where did this third person reference come from? Oh, up here. Okay. I was like, I got more stuff somewhere. I just don't know where. I'll move all this closer. I don't know why I have it separated so far away. A new value will be the value for the new variables, if that makes sense. I think so. The controller options, startup. Yeah, so this is what I've started doing this a lot more. I don't know if it's a good thing, but I like to have my event constructs or my event constructions or constructs, whatever you want to call it, to do the references of everything it needs, and then it will call a custom event that does the rest of the code, and I keep the event construct separate from everything. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'm assuming I want to get this. Now let me bring this closer to the character, and I'm looking for AI looker action value X. Okay. Action value X. Nope. Okay. What is the input called? Enhance input action AI look. Create the variable in the player. Oh, so left and right and up and down. So up and down is Y. Okay, so variable, let me close this. I got so many freaking variables for the player. These ones are unfoldered, and I got other folders up here with stuff in them. I got so many. So we want the X value because I wanted to go left and right faster. That's the part that's driving me nuts. Okay, new variable. We'll go action. Well, we'll just do horizontal y value, I guess. And it'll be a float once my game stops lagging. Doing anything in the blueprint for the character is laggy as hell because I got so much stuff in here. What's the defaults? Do we know? Also, we're just going to duplicate that one ahead of time. I'll just do the X2. Wait, horizontal would be X. Oops. Vertical Y value. Horizontal X value is what I meant to say. F2 horizontal X value. And set both variables to default value of 1 in the details. Oh, they're default of 1. You're amazing. I'm glad you just know this stuff right off the rip. You see how long it takes to compile anything? That's crazy. So hit enter and save. And then now we should be able to just plug those directly in. And drive those variables in, multiply them with the input ones. So we'll go to add controller inputs. Wait, so variables and multiply them with the input ones. So value X, get, multiply, multiply. I'm gonna move this like that because why not? So we're saying multiply these two, then plug it in. Delete. Y, get, multiply. I'm just gonna move it because I like it better down there on Y, and plug that in. So then we're gonna change these values, right, based off of the slider. Gotcha. So then if we click over here, and then we get those values. Value get horizontal X. But don't we want to set them? Set. Wait, what one was vertical? Horizontal X. Okay, yeah, X was horizontal. That's good. Has to be set. Okay. We want to set. Set, and then we want to set that value from the value of this. I'm assuming. Now, it shouldn't work right off the rip, right? I have to apply it somewhere in the settings. And with Y also. Wait, I need to do that with Y? Because the X was left and right. Y was up and down. I don't have a setting for Y yet. I don't have a slider for Y yet, so I'm going to try it real quick. And then I'll add the slider for Y. So if we just look at how slow I am once we stop lagging. Oop. So this is how slow we are here. Very slow. Options. Controller settings. Now we go all the way up. Oh yeah, I know. I probably could do both, but I want them to be able to play very specifically. Apply settings, back, resume. That did nothing. Okay. Well, help. Because like whenever me, my sister, and my wife, and everyone else, when we play like Fortnite, we usually have very high horizontal sensitivity, but very low vertical sensitivity. So we like to separate things. I like to have that like options. Print on the widget the value. Okay, hold up. Where are we at? Controller options. Print on this one. You're saying? Print string. Yeah, we like to be able to turn really fast to like snap on people. But then we don't like looking up and down fast. There's never anyone jumping around in the sky very often. So I was gonna add this to like a key. Sure. You want me to also print it over here too, just so we can see the output values of what they actually are? That after. Okay, gotcha. We'll try this first. I should probably put that on. Hold up. Will it change already? Okay, we're lagging. Hold up. I forgot that there's all those physical things in the background, so it kind of like breaks the game. Okay, there we go. Controller settings. Okay, so we got 0.1, 0.2. We're going all the way up. So wait, I think I have a curious. I'm curious about something. The reason why I think it's not working is because we're going from 0 to 1. Anything times 1 is that number, right? So if we're multiplying 1 times 1, but go all the way up, it's just going to be 1, so it's never going to change, right? So we need to have at a value between 0 and 100. 100 being like 1, essentially, not crazy fast, but like a normal value, like a float. So in the widget, we need to increase that. Yes. This is the widget. So designer, widget. Yeah, so we got the minimum value and the maximum value of 1. So 1, let's just do like 10 to see what would happen. What do you think would happen? Is that the value you want me to change? We go all the way up. See, it only goes to the value of 1. If we go 10, yep, we're all the way up. Yep, okay, sweet. 0. I'm glad I remembered my math that I learned in high school, because I would have been screwed there for a while, bro. Like, I've had so many simple things that just break my brain for some reason. Come on now. Come on. I really need to just remove all those items off the ground while we're in the testing world, because the physics enabled on hundreds of items in one little world really kill my game. Options, controller settings. Oh yeah. Now the sliding of the thing is slow as hell. Wait, okay, so another question. Wait, no, never mind. 1 times 10 is still 10. Okay, yeah, never mind. I'm just gonna use my mouse real quick. I'm gonna turn that value all the way up. And apply, back. Oh shoot, look at that. So much better. That is so much better. Oh, a little bit too sensitive. That's crazy. Yes. Now the up and down is still very slow, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that now. But that is crazy. That is crazy fast. Okay. That is awesome. So how did I do this, by the way? So we got that one. Just duplicate that essentially. Let's add a spacer between it. Actually, hold up. Let's just remove that. Pop this down. There we go. Now let's add it between it, because it seemed like it just didn't want to work. Spacer of size. Am I doing that wrong? Oh, I was. Okay. Awesome, bro. Good progress. I have to leave now, but keep going. Hey, thank you, homie. Thank you for freaking helping me. That was crazy. You've literally saved me so much time. Thank you for jumping in, though. I'll definitely make sure to message you. I don't have a phone right now, by the way, because it kind of broke it did. So I won't be able to message very often, only when I'm on the computer. But thank you for helping me out so much. Thank you. So this is the horizontal. Let's do vertical. Save. And then on this thing, wait, why is that so much different? What happened here? Oh, the words. Okay. The words are a little bit shorter. So if we go ahead and hit enter. Oh, perfect. Wait, nope. One more space. Perfect. We could have just used the spacer and made it longer too, but this is a little bit easier. So on this, and then on value changed. Yep. Okay. Why are you so far away from everything else? Let's not do that. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. So duplicate that down here. Set vertical Y value. Set that and set this is gonna multiply it. Go ahead and print string it just to be for sure. There and there. Voila, that should technically work. So if we compile, don't think I'm missing anything. I'm probably missing something. That's okay though. Vertical and horizontal. Yeah, I'm probably 100% missing something, but that's all right. We'll figure it out as we go. All right, give me 1 second. My brain is frying because it's 7:30 in the morning. I should 100% be going to bed right now. So this is bar speed this way and this way. They're both defaulted to 1. Options, controller settings. So we turn this, I think about 3.5 would be pretty good. I should probably also add a text piece here so you can click on it and type. Also, I need to fix that now. Back and resume. Oh yeah, it's so much better. Oh, but doesn't that affect my mouse? Oh my lord, it affects my mouse. Okay. So if you're going to be changing your settings in the game, that's a little rough. So if we're going to be changing your settings in the game, I really wish there was a way I could separate the controls between keyboard or controller movement and mouse movement. Because I needed to be able to differentiate the looking, I guess you can say. Because like this is perfect for my sensitivity. I love this. This looks great. I maybe even just a tad bit higher, maybe at like 6, maybe 7 or 6.5. But I grab my mouse on the other hand and I'm flying. I would have to change my sensitivity on my mouse to play. But other than that, this looks great. Sweet. Now I just need to figure out how to save that, which shouldn't be too hard because it's just a float value. And I already have the preset up system for saving everything that I learned from Gorka's video. I just need to duplicate one of the float value things and save it. So, also settings. Let's go ahead and just do low again because, like, yeah, no. What else was we doing here? Sorry, I'm watching something real quick. Okay, anyways. Changing my music. Oh, yeah. Okay, so since my print string just isn't working on the event tick for some reason, it's just not recognizing anything. Maybe it works regardless. I don't know, but that is really cool that just worked. Movement input, AI move, get rotation, get forward vector. Let's look at some of these things. Get controller. Okay, so we're good there. The 9 is add XP. I forgot I had that there. Oh, that means that's in my base game. We can just go ahead and disconnect that now. We'll just leave that there though. Event begin place. Da 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 da. Is using control. Wait, we need to keep that. What was we doing? Oh yeah, inventory stuff. So coming off of WB inventory, yeah. Okay. So when going back, we just need to make sure that we set this. Wait, event. Oh wait. Inventory. Event tick, which is here. I just constantly set it to using that. UI mode. That's if this is on though, right? Get player controller. I don't know. That wouldn't work because it would be constantly trying to focus me on this one. Oh, I just knew that wasn't going to work off the beginning, but that's fine. I see right now I'm focused on that one. It won't let me focus on anything else. Now let's remove that now. So UI mode. What if we just don't focus on that widget or on that thing in general? I don't know. Focusing on that. Constantly focusing. Well, no. Don't know, man. This is so confusing. I think I don't do this type of shit, so. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, so we're not instantly locking on, which is not a good thing. Now we are. Oh, this is so confusing. Input mode, pre-construct. Okay. We know this pretty much works to default out to, I think. Big think. Yeah, we're good, but we can't exit out of it for some reason. I don't know what the hell. I didn't even change nothing with that. That makes no damn sense. I didn't change nothing with the keyboard. Hitting Y should automatically, okay, not work, I guess. What the hell? IA_inventory. We got this one. It's the keyboard. Triggered. That's the keyboard. So that should loop it, right? That would loop it. Pretty sure that'll just loop it. The completed then, maybe? Yeah, this makes no damn sense. Is it because I'm setting it to UI mode only? It's gotta be because I can't shoot my guns in there right now. Widget. Oh, wait, am I doing that? The inventory. MC defaults. Yeah, it's I literally never changed this. I just added this. I don't know. Input, there's defaults and actions. Pressed and released. Tap, press, release, hold, and release down. I never added anything extra. Like, this is all default. I don't know why. Completed it. I don't know. It makes no sense. That's what I was just on. Come on, you laggy thing. Come on. I and I. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna save everything and close it and reopen it. Sometimes Unreal Engine be like that. Sometimes you have to like close it and reopen that bitch. Gonna let it do its damn thing real quick because it's gonna be slow as hell. Alright. We're back for a second. I guess it won't be too bad actually playing on this map. Oh yeah, much faster. Still don't fucking work. My mouse is being weird as fuck, dude. I don't know what I did. Triggered on one. Completed and completed. Okay, so that makes no sense. I don't know. This looks like it makes sense. Not really though. I don't fucking know. This makes zero sense, bro. 1 minute it was working, next minute not working at all. Mouse is doing better now. But I still can't hit I again to close it. Yeah, I can't close it again. That makes no damn sense. Print string. Hold up. Is visible, I guess. Whether there is or isn't, doesn't matter. I just want to print that. False. Yeah, it's just not recognizing any of my key presses anymore whatsoever. What the hell? UI. Pause, or actually no, it would be an inventory system. Widgets. Inventory pop-ups. It would be here. IA underscore inven. Drop item. Okay, so that's all I'm getting there. I don't know, something's just not right here. Oh, look, it's an inventory not open. The hell? Oh, wait. Look, I can do this now. Okay. That's a start to getting something in the right direction. Then now on the keyboard, I just want to go ahead and do this. I'm not untriggered on complete. Pressing it. There we go. My keyboard shows, my mouse shows up. My mouse doesn't show up there. But it's not allowing me to focus on it though. Inventory. It should be focusing on all that. Lock on capture. Do not lock on. Shouldn't it be checking on a tick? Okay, so we're going to do that real quick. So, custom events. B is player using controller, because it could change if I switch back to keyboard, but I never close the inventory and reopen it. It doesn't switch it to yes or no. Is player using controller? Event tick. Is player using controller? Event construct. There we go. So it should constantly be checking. Okay, we're good. What the fuck? Well, that's weird. Can I hook this up over here or no? Man. Oh shit. That bugs it the fuck out. Whoa, what the hell? Why am I? Okay, whatever. Inventory. Okay, so. Okay, it's doing this over and over and over again. So let's not play that one. Basically, yeah, I just need to only do this one. It still doesn't. Oh my god. This is fucking frustrating, dude. So that can't work then. If we do it now. Okay, yeah. So every time I open it up, it's triggering. Which is good. So then why is it? Wait, right here. That's on trigger. We want this to be on complete. Switching it to true and to false. What's that do? I don't have anything showing up now. Well. Oh, that's this inventory open. Okay. Controller set true. Now if we bring this, why are we so far apart here, by the way? This is almost a little excessive. And if we're hitting it on the keyboard action, we're going to set it to false. Hopefully this works. Hit I, we're good. Hit Y here. Still not working. Why? It was just working a little bit ago. Is using controller. True or false? Basically, okay. So this should be happening every time it works, right? Set use button. I'm pretty sure we update the inventory every time. So let's see. Update inventory. I don't know. It works for the most part, except for that one fucking thing. Get player controller. So what if we don't do anything for false? Let's just see how this works. Wait, what? Okay. That is so annoying. If it's not one problem, it's the next. Event dicks. I just want to see if this widget blueprint is recognizing it. That's the wrong one. Event tick. Print. Damn it. Print string. Okay. As BP third person character. That's the wrong thing. Get. Is using controller. Okay, I guess we'll just add a new variable real quick and call this text. We'll do a string. It's because I typed it in the word text. is using controller. So we're gonna basically be printing to see if we're using it or not. What I want to do too here is print string. Find all the print strings. Skip over that. Hopefully this works. Well, it's already not showing up. That's great. It's on an event tick too. If a non-empty key rotation words and then true or false, right? Meeting sees is her best time activity. Authenticity. Okay, so true. False. Okay, so it's recognizing it's using controller. Okay. That's a plus. Okay. That's event construct and it's working so far. So lock always, I'm assuming. Maybe that's one of the issues we're having. Let's try it again. Also, let's just do event check. Would like to know, since this is working, we're just going to click on 1. Agencies is the best time. And why? Okay, so why is it not working? No, somewhere between the sacred silence is ye. I'm switching back and forth between keyboard and controller and it's working. But for some reason I can't cycle through my stuff now. Is the first things first, by the way. This thing's fucking annoying here. Yeah, okay, so I have nothing in here at all. I don't even work there either. Oh, now it's working. That's just not focusing. That is odd. Which makes 0 sense, to be fair. Event reconstruct. That's not what I meant to do. Event construct. There we go. The be all is being cycled. Put vertical box and then be all. Let's see what this is gonna do. Wake up, wake up. Hey, come on, give me the update. I just want to see if this is gonna work. So if I hit Y. Okay, yeah. Not working. I don't know what I did. Like how I broke it. Okay, so let's do like... There's this. Is focusable is on. What did I do? I don't know, it's just like it's not focusing on any button for some reason. I don't know. I'll try one more thing after this. Self-righteous. Okay, try it. Hit Y. It says is using controller true. I'm like it's trying to focus on it before it's open. And that's why it's not triggering. So is using controller true. Set UI mode to this and then this. I can go there, controller, yada yada. Be all. Lock always, lock always. Self first. Delay. 0.2 second delay might work. Flush input, flush input. Oh, maybe just is valid, maybe? What can we do with an is valid? Object select asset? Widget blueprint. Oh, can we do that? We can, okay. Well, widget blueprint for the inventory thing is going to always be valid, though. I don't know, we'll try some of that later in a little bit. There we go. It works again. I need to change the view of these buttons, by the way. How to have a real good time. The style, outline settings. That dude, oh, that is that. Wait. Hovered. Foreground press, disable foreground normal, press padding, hovered. Hovered, press, disabled, normal and foreground. The button appears when hovered, but that's with the mouse, right? Actually, no, it might not be. So that's with the all button. Let's see. Okay. With outline, corner radius. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay. I did not mean to do that, but sure. I didn't know what that did. This is cool stuff. I'm not messing with it, but it's cool stuff. So I want to find out a way to fix this differently. So I want this to, when hovered with the controller, to look different, because you can't really see it. Hovered. Outline settings. Tinted applied to border outline. Is that like off rip? Hover sound. Uh-oh. That's not good. I can't use my map. I can't close in for it now. What the hell? What the hell happened? Lock always, lock always. Don't lock and don't lock, maybe? I don't know. What the hell just broke and how? I'm doing that. Yeah, I can't close it now. So if I'm focused on a button, I can't close it. Okay. So how the hell? Very lost. So I can do it now. So if I'm focused on a button, I can't open and close an inventory by a button press because it's switching to UI mode. Yeah. Kinsley is. Why is she awake? Come in there and talk to her and get her to fucking go to bed to sleep. Okay. I got a lot of stuff working now. It's really cool. I can go. Oh, one thing that we were talking about